back. So, buck up because it's time to level up. Makeup looks that dominated that decade are memorable even now. Inspired by the shiny disco ball, here's a modern twist to the 80s makeup look. Try out the disco makeup look now.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon.
Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.